and then with a uniform speed, and then speed complete, what is that, speed completing, with uniform speed completing the circle in 4 seconds. T is equals to how much? 4 seconds they are saying. And also this speed is uniform speed. This is very important. The speed is uniform speed, and then find the magnitude of its acceleration. So generally whenever they are asking the magnitude of acceleration, nothing but you have to find out the A net. A net is equals to, what is the formula? Under root AC square plus AT square. Now here they are saying that it is having the uniform speed. Uniform speed nothing but which speed? That is uniform speed. Tangential velocity is constant, not velocity, the tangential speed is constant. Whenever the tangential speed is constant, at that time tangential acceleration is equals to how much? 0. Speed is constant in which direction? Tangentially. Then acceleration is equals to how much? 0. So because of uniform speed, AT is equals to 0. They are saying that speed is constant but not the velocity. What happens? It will be keep on changing the direction. Whenever it is changing the direction, that will leads to which acceleration? Centripetal acceleration. So only centripetal acceleration will be there. A net is equals to under root AC square, nothing but what will get here? AC only. AC is equals to, what is the formula for us? mv square by v square by r, right? Is there any velocity there? If they give any velocity, then what you have to find out? Radius given and then time t is given. What you have to find out? Omega you have to find out first of all. Find out the omega. To find out the omega, what is the formula? Omega is equals to, what is the formula? Theta by t, right? Theta nothing but what? 2 pi. Completing the circle, right? How many times? One time. Only one time. In how many seconds? 4 seconds. So this is the omega. Pi by 2 is the omega. Pi by 2 radian per second. Then whenever you find the omega, then AC formula in terms of omega is what? AC is equals to one formula is V square by R, and also AC is equals to omega square into R. Next AC is equals to omega into V. These are the three formulas we will have. So among that which is suitable? Here radius R is there and then omega is there. So that which one? Second one. Omega square into R. Omega square nothing but what will get here? Pi square by 4 into radius is how much? 10 centimeter. 10 into 10 power minus 2. In sum of the problem, approximately pi square value how much we can take? Nothing but 10 we can take. Why? Because 3.14 into 3.14 no, you will get. So that we can take it as 10 approximately. In some of the options, if you not find out the pi square means, at that time you check in the options 10 is there or not there. So whenever they have not included the pi square, then they removed one of the 10 there. So if you see 10 power minus 2 here, 10 power plus 1 and then 10 power plus 1. Then what is the answer here? Remaining answer is 1 by 4 or 0.25 meter per second square. Clear everybody? So that here always you have to remember that while checking the options, you will get the answer in terms of pi square. But in the options you will see that there is no pi means you thought that you will get the wrong answer. You got the wrong answer. So that you leave that problem. At that time you check 10 also. If one of the 10 is reduced, otherwise 10 is there like that only. So that is a way of doing the problems in the circular motion. And this is the AC. AC is equals to how much? 1 by 4. That is equals to 0.25. Next problem is, they are saying velocity is equals to how much? V is equals to 4t. And also in that what they are asking? First question is what they are asking? Tangential acceleration. How to get the tangential acceleration? Differentiation, that's it. AT is equals to what? dV by dt. Next problem what they are asking? Total acceleration. Total acceleration nothing but what you have to find out? What is the total acceleration? A net. AC square plus AT square. We have the V at time t is equals to how many seconds they are saying? T is equals to 1 second. So that AC is equals to what is the formula? V square by R, and AT is equals to already we got that dV by dt. Find out the A net again, the same problem. Again A net is equals to under root AC square plus AT square. Clear? That is how you have to do those problems. Next we will start the dynamics. Dynamics in circular motion. Kinematics finished, no? All the kinematics equations, how to use AT, how to use AC, and also how to use the kinematical formulas. whenever they have given a change in the angular velocity, given, what are you filled up to? You have done full balaprayogam on this. Tomorrow, ನಾಳೆಲಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದಾನೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟು. ಇವ್ರು ಡೈಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. Pause that, Amma, pause that. And final angular velocity as omega 1, changing in time t. They are not talking about the acceleration. At that time, how to find out the displacement? S is equals to, not a S, that is theta is equals to average omega into time t. This kind of problem already we have solved. In one only we have solved 3 problems. Fan rotating problem, yes. Understand it? That one, whenever fan is getting stopped, nothing but acceleration or retardation? Retardation you will get. So that minus alpha you have to take. We can even solve so many problems in that kinematics. And also next is dynamics. Dynamics in circular motion, that is important. On that video, ma, you on the? Next, dynamics in circular motion. This is like Kashmara movie only. Black blood. In horror movies it will be there, no? Right, dynamics in circular motion. In that mainly centripetal force will be there. Centripetal force. So what is the formula of centripetal force? No need to discuss much. Fc is equals to, what is the formula? M into AC. M into, what is the AC formula? V square by R. This is the Fc. And also can you tell me one more formula? M into omega square into R. Right, centripetal acceleration, second formula. Next, what is the third formula of centripetal acceleration? M into omega into V. These are the 3 formulas of centripetal force. So centripetal force will be acting always towards which direction? Towards the center of the circle. To keep the motion of the particle as a circular motion, always which force will be acting? Nothing but centripetal force will be acting. Due to which one it will act? Due to the change in the direction of speed, the centripetal acceleration will be there. Due to that centripetal acceleration, what will be there? Nothing but centripetal force will be there. And also in this you will get one more force. What is that? Centrifugal force will be there. So when centrifugal force will come? Centrifugal force is real force or pseudo force? Pseudo force. Pseudo force nothing but which frames? Non-inertial frames. Non-inertial frames nothing but whenever all the accelerating frames are called as what we call as non-inertial frames. Whenever one bus or one truck is moving in a circular motion, at that time its acceleration is changing or not? It is always AC is acting, right? Whenever AC is acting and also AT is changing, and also moreover until the kinematics only we will get the tangential acceleration. When the tangential acceleration will come? Due to which one tangential acceleration will come? Due to the tangential velocity, right? Due to the tangential velocity, whenever the speed of the tangential velocity is changing, then only the tangential acceleration will come. See that in the name itself it is a tangential acceleration, that is related to which one? Tangential speed. So the tangential speed is changing, nothing but tangential acceleration will be there. If the speed is uniform, just before we solve the problem, if the speed is uniform, then AT is equals to how much? 0. Only which one will be there? AC will be there. Why AC only is there? because direction is changing. Speed is constant only. For example, if I say in the circle, a particle is revolving with a speed of 10 meter per second in this direction. In this direction, it is keep on revolving. I am not changing the speed here, 10 meter per second only. But whenever it is coming to the different places, what happening? Nothing but its direction is changing. Whenever the direction is changing, due to that change in the direction, what acceleration is acting? Due to the change in the direction, centripetal acceleration is acting. Remember that centripetal acceleration is only due to the change of direction. Only due to the change of direction. Due to the change of magnitude, which acceleration is acting? Nothing but tangential acceleration is acting. Can I say then circle is uniform? Whenever speed is changing, at that time can I say circle is uniform? No. Why? Because its shape will be different. For example, here more velocity, nothing but it will come like this. Less velocity, it will come inwards, and then like this it will come. So that speed should be constant. To be the circle uniform, the speed should be constant. Speed should be constant. And also speed constant, due to the change in the direction, who is acting? Centripetal acceleration is acting. Whenever the speed is constant, I want to keep the circle as uniform, nothing but I want to make the speed as constant. Whenever the speed is constant, at that time, tangential acceleration is equals to how much? At is equals to 0. It will not exist. You understand, right? So write that. Write as a note point. Before this one you write. Before the dynamics you write. Before dynamics. Illi. Be in the class. So write that. Write as a note point. The change in the speed of the particle, causes tangential acceleration, comma, if the speed is uniform, then At is equals to 0. If the speed is uniform, then At is equals to 0. And the change in the direction, of the particle, causes the centripetal acceleration, and AC cannot be 0. When the particle revolving on the circle. See, except the problems based on A net. A net is equals to under root AC square plus AT square. In this only they will talk about the change in the speed. Otherwise, always the speed will be uniform and the circular motion is uniform only. Clear? So that always in almost 90% of the problems we will use only AC. Why? Because the circle should be uniform. Nothing but the speed should be constant only. So whenever the circle is non-uniform, at that time only we will get AT here. Clear? You understand, right? When AT is equals to 0, whenever they said that uniform speed, immediately put AT is equals to 0. That's it. Clear? Then next one, dynamics. Centripetal force. The force which keeps particle in the circular motion. Write the formula. Fc is equals to mac. Write all the formulas. Can you tell me the units? Newton only. Why you are thinking that much? Newton only, right? Force, that is also kind of force only. So that what will get here? kg meter square per second square, second power 4. Second square only, second square that divided by meter. Again kg meter per second square. What is that? Newton only, right? Understand or not? Centripetal force also force only. So units are what? Newtons. Dimensions is as it is ml and then p power minus 2 we will get. So that is about the units and dimensions. Next one is opposite to the counter to the centripetal force, one more force will be acting. That is, what is that? Nothing but centrifugal force. So in which case centrifugal force will be acting? Always you have to see in dynamics we will take uniform circular motion only always. So in uniform circular motion, which is constant? Speed is constant. At is 0, only AC is there. AC is keep on acting towards the center of the circle. Due to which one? Due to the change in the direction of velocity. And also here whenever the car is moving in a circular motion, at that time inside of the car one person is there, otherwise inside of the car one block is kept. Now car is moving in the circular motion, nothing but that is accelerating or non-accelerating? Accelerating, right? Which acceleration is there? Centripetal acceleration is there. Tangential acceleration is equal to how much? 0. Why? Because I said uniform circle. So AT is there. Tangential AT is 0, AC is there. So whenever the acceleration is there, can I say that is a accelerated frame? Accelerated frame only, no? All the accelerated frames are which frames? Non-inertial frames. Whenever those are non-inertial frames, nothing but which force will be acting on them? Pseudo force will be acting. That pseudo force is equals to what? Exactly equals to the applied force. Equal and opposite to the applied force. So here the applied force is due to which one? Centripetal acceleration. So that opposite and then equal to that, nothing but exactly opposite. In this direction it will act. What is that force? Nothing but centrifugal force. In almost all the problems we will use centrifugal force only. Until unless they ask to find out the centripetal force, you have to always use what? Centrifugal. Why? Because all the accelerated frames are which frames? Those are non-inertial frames. So whichever is there running on a circle, always you have to take that as a non-inertial frame only. For the non-inertial frame, centrifugal force will act. Centrifugal nothing but pseudo force. So pseudo force you have to take outwards. What is the reason? Centripetal is there towards the center. Opposite to that, what will be there? Pseudo force. That pseudo force is which one? Centrifugal force. In all the problems, we have to consider centrifugal force only. Why? Because you are sitting in the non-inertial frame and then you are calculating the problem. Clear? You are not sitting on the ground, you are sitting on the truck only. Whatever the non-inertial frame, we have car and then we have any block, anything. We are sitting in the non-inertial frame. We are also rotating in the circle and then we are calculating the problems. Clear? You understand, right? So all the problems you have to use which force? Centrifugal force only. The centrifugal force is equals to what? Minus centripetal force only. Equal and opposite, right? So minus will be indicated by the direction itself. So Fc is equals to what you can take? F centrifugal is equals to what I can write? Magnitude of Fc. Can I write like that? So if I remove the magnitude, what will get here? Minus Fc we will get. Clear, right? The centrifugal force. All the frames revolving in the circle, all the frames revolving in the circle are accelerating frames. In bracket non-inertial frames. So there will be a pseudo force. There will be a pseudo force on these non-inertial frames. On these non-inertial frames called as centrifugal force. Called as centrifugal force. Acts radially outwards. Acts radially outwards. Radially outwards. Exactly equal and opposite to the. Exactly equal and opposite to the centripetal force. Exactly equal and opposite to the centripetal force. So here, whenever I take the circle, on this circle, a car is moving. Let me take on this circular path, a car is moving. Whenever this car is moving, this car is which frame I said? Non-inertial frame. What is the reason why non-inertial frame? Accelerating. Which acceleration? Centripetal acceleration. Whenever the car is moving on the circular path with a velocity v, with a constant speed and then changing in the direction. And also whenever it is moving on the circle, so towards the circle, so towards the center of the circle, what will be acting always? Centripetal acceleration will be there and also centripetal force will be there. So due to this acceleration, this frame is which frame? That is accelerating frame. So accelerating frame nothing but inertial or non-inertial? Non-inertial frame. So this is a non-inertial frame. In non-inertial frame, which force will be acting? Pseudo force will be acting. The pseudo force will be exactly equal and opposite to the applied force. So applied force is what? Centripetal force. Equal and opposite to that nothing but exactly opposite to that, like this we will get. That we call as what? Centrifugal force. Centrifugal force. So that centrifugal force value, F centrifugal is equals to what I said? F centrifugal, or you can take it as pseudo force directly. So F centrifugal is equals to what we can write? Minus Fc, or modulus of Fc you can take. So equal and opposite always. So centrifugal formula is also what? M V square by R. One more is m into omega square into r, and one more is m into omega into v. All the formulas are applicable for the centrifugal force also. Clear? Write that. Write all the formulas. Draw the diagram. Finished? Next, death well problems. Do you know what is death well? If we fall on that, we will death. Death will happen to us. So death well nothing but in the inside of the well they will put racing. Have you seen anywhere? No, you did not see that. Yes, sir. In death only, inside of the death only, they will do stunts. They will drive the cars, otherwise persons will be running, otherwise they will just ride the bikes and all. Have you seen that? Yes. So there will be a well, deep well will be there, very deep well. Very deep well will be there. Not exactly like this parallel, and also little bit of angle will be there. So not much angle. Much angle is there nothing but that will not be death well. No, if you fall nothing will happen. So if you will be keep on rolling on the slope like steps only. So here death well nothing but will have the well, deep well will be there. So that well of, let me take the radius is r. Well of radius is r. Now what happening nothing but on that a person is running. I will consider person as a block only. Why? Because I cannot draw the person here. So person of mass m is moving, just he is just making the rounds on that. So he should not fall down means what should happen here? He should not fall down, nothing but what should happen? He should not fall down. Speed should be constant. Yes, uniform circular motion. Okay, that's good. Then next, which should be balanced first of all? Centripetal force will be balanced with? Of course, only one will exist. You have to take only one. That is always what I said. Centrifugal force only you have to consider. You should never consider centripetal force until unless they mention in the problem. If they have given mass is 1 kg and then velocity is 10 meter per second, then find out the centripetal force. If they ask like this, 10 meters is the radius. If they ask like that, then only you have to use what? Centripetal force. They will never ask this kind of problems. Don't expect that. Okay. Now, here body has to be balanced. So, whenever it is running, the body is running nothing but what I said, what you have to consider that as centrifugal only. Only centrifugal is existing, centripetal is not there. Somebody is cooking something. These people, these allergic people are there, no? They cannot experience anything. ಆಸ್ವಾದಿಂಚಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ನೀವು. So here, the person is running, he should not fall down means what should happen? What should be balanced? Think properly. He is running. He is running nothing but on him. How many forces are acting? First of all, free body diagram of the person. Gravitational force in which direction? Downward direction. And also normal reaction in which direction? Upwards. Upwards, that is away from the wall. Away from the wall. This is the contact. This is the contact here. This is the contact, so that away from the wall in this direction normal reaction will act. Then one is mg, another is normal reaction. Then centrifugal force, which direction? Radially, outward direction. That's it. Then what happens? The person will fall down, right? Friction. Very good. Why? Because this is a wall, right? Wall nothing but this is a frictional surface. Whenever I say friction is over, you forgot the friction also. Now here, from this away from the wall, what will be acting always? Normal reaction. Everybody know that. And also downwards, what will be acting? mg will be acting. Radially outwards, which will be acting? Centrifugal force. And also now, whenever you see if n is equals to fc, then what happens? Person will fall down. Why? Because downwards, which is acting? mg. To avoid that, what should be acting in the upward direction? Friction should be acting. Some force should be there. If it is a rough surface, then what force is there? That is frictional force is there. In the upward direction, frictional force is there. You understand? Whenever the person is running, he has to balance all these forces. So, I am asking now, what is the minimum speed of the person? Minimum speed of the person to not fall down. Not minimum, maximum speed of the person. What is the maximum speed of the person? So, you should not fall down nothing but which should be greater first of all? Friction should be greater. Everybody know that. It can be greater or it can be equal also. Equal nothing but he is just ready to fall down, but it is not fall down yet. So that can I say F should be greater than or equals to mg? Understand, right? Now F is equals to what is the formula? Mu into normal reaction. Mu into normal reaction greater than or equals to mg. Then mu into normal reaction. Normal reaction is balanced by which one? Fc, centrifugal force. Fc greater than or equals to mg. Then mu into Fc value is how much? mv square by r greater than or equals to mg. Then m gets cancelled. The velocity is v square is equals greater than or equals to mu. Rg by mu. Rg by mu. Then v greater than or equals to under root Rg by mu. Clear? So, this is the velocity with which he can run without falling. So, if he is decreasing the velocity lesser than this one, then what happens? Nothing but he will fall down. Whenever he is decreasing the velocity, at that time what happens? The centrifugal force will be decreased. Whenever the centrifugal force is decreasing, then what happens? Normal reaction also decreases. Whenever the normal reaction decreases, then what happens? Friction will decreases. Why? Because F is equals to what is the formula? Mu into N only. I said that whenever the person is decreasing the velocity, V decreases. then Fc is equals to what is the formula? mv square by r. Then what happens? Fc will decreases. Velocity is decreasing, then centrifugal force will decreases. Whenever the centrifugal force is decreasing, opposite to centrifugal, who is there? Who is balancing that? Normal reaction. So normal reaction decreases. Whenever the normal reaction decreases, F is equals to what is the formula for us? Mu into normal reaction. And also in the friction introduction class we discussed, always F is directly proportional to the normal reaction. Clear? Whenever the N decreases, then what will decreases? Friction will decreases. Whenever the friction decreases, then friction will be lesser than mg. Friction is lesser than mg, nothing but mg is acting more, friction is less. Then what happens? He will fall down. So this is the maximum safest velocity. If he is decreasing this velocity, lesser than this velocity, nothing but he will fall down in the well. Clear? You understand, right? Everything. So always whenever you see, whenever the angle is there for the death well, nothing but they will also ride with some angle. Whenever you see exactly like this, it is there, nothing but it is not possible for the bikes and all. It is possible only for the running man, stunt man, it will be possible. So mans can run in this. Whichever is there exactly parallel also they can run. But whenever you see bikes and all, no, center of mass will not be balanced. Why? Because person also will be, what he is also bending in the downward direction, bike also will be bending in the downward direction. And also area of the contact is very less for the bikes and all, so that they cannot do the stunts with the bikes and all. But a person can run in this type of death well. So whenever he is running, nothing but he has to maintain the constant speed. One, whenever he is decreasing the constant speed, little bit he is decreasing, nothing but then he can get to down directly like this. By running only he can come downward direction. Where you might be seen, they will be going in downward direction and then upward direction in the well, correct? So how that is possible? Nothing but they will be decreasing little bit, that's it. If they decrease more, nothing but directly they will fall down. And also whenever you see the death well, in the videos you might be seeing that will be there like this exactly, correct, little bit less angle. Then what happens? Nothing but the person will not stand like this, the person will not ride the bike like this, they will ride the bike like this in this orientation. Why? Because this is there at what some angle, then this should be there also with some angle only. Always they should be perpendicular to each other. Whenever you see this surface, this is not exactly perpendicular, like this it will be there. Always whenever you see the surface, the wall of the death, and also the person orientation should be always 90 degrees to each other. Then only the normal reaction will be balanced by the centrifugal force. Component of centrifugal force will be there, that you can understand in the banking of the roads. In banking of the roads, the road will be built by with some angle, right? So in that you can understand how the centrifugal force will be balanced by the normal reaction and all. Clear? You understand this one at least? Yes. So whenever the person is running, he should not fall down, nothing but everything should be balanced here. N should be is equals to Fc. He is ready to fall down, nothing but friction should be equals to mg. He should not fall down, nothing but friction should be greater than mg. This condition already we know, already we solved in the problems also. So friction should be greater than mg, then friction is mu into normal reaction, that greater than mg. Now normal reaction is exactly balancing with what? Centrifugal force. So centrifugal force I have written. Don't consider Fc nothing but centripetal always. So always it is centrifugal only. Whenever it is centripetal, then we will mention that centripetal like that. So mu into Fc greater than or equals to mg. Fc formula is what? mv square by r only. mv square by r greater than or equals to mg. Then v is equals to under root rg by mu we got. See, if you don't know to take the centrifugal force, then what you will take? Centripetal force will take in this direction. The normal reaction also there in this direction only. Centripetal force also there in the same direction only. Then can man can balance then? He cannot balance. He will fall down in this direction. Directly he will leave the contact from the wall. You understand it clearly? Copy that. Death well problem. Write as a problem. Find safest velocity of the stuntman with which he can run he can run in a death well. In a death well of radius r. In a death well of radius r. Copy that. And from today onwards, study hour will be there until 7:30. Evening up to 7:30. Day scholars, be ready for that. Hostel ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 5 o'clock ವರೆಗೆ until morning 5 o'clock. Morning 5 o'clock ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಲಗ್ತೀರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್. ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಏನಂತಿದ್ರು? ಡೈಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಾ? ಅಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್? 6 to 8. Are you reading, otherwise sleeping? No, in the early morning study hours, no, whenever we close the eyes, it will be at like 5:30, 6 o'clock, like that. Whenever we open, we will be sitting like that only. Whenever we open the eyes, it will be 7:30 directly. Early morning study hours will be there like that. Whoever coming at 6 to 8, they will be doing that only, meditation. Conical pendulum problems. Conical pendulum problems. Conical pendulum problems. Mass of M is suspended. Mass of M is suspended from the ceiling by a string and it is revolving in horizontal circle. It is revolving in horizontal circle. Then find the angle with vertical made by the pendulum at equilibrium. Just made by the pendulum you write, not equilibrium. So here, look at the problem. So this one is the first of all, whenever you suspended some object, you are suspending some object from the string and then with the ceiling. Then what happens? You are revolving in the horizontal circle like this. So it is forming which type of pendulum? Conical pendulum. It is revolving like cone only, no? Whenever you see, it is revolving like this. So whenever it is revolving like that, at some position you have to find out the angle of the string which can make with the vertical for the maximum distance. It cannot cover more than that. Are understanding or not? So whenever you are just suspending and then revolving like this, so whenever you are revolving in a horizontal circle of radius r, at that time what is the angle made by the string with the vertical? That is what the question. Angle made by the string whenever the circle of radius, how much? Radius should be r only. Now it is revolving in a circle of radius r. At that time you have to find the answer in terms of what? Velocity, and then angle is how much? Theta you have to find out. So for that, here angle is theta. Whenever the mass is there, downwards what will be there? Obviously mg will be there. Along the string what will be there? Tension T will be there. So here angle is theta means, this is also what? Angle is theta only. Then this is T, this is theta means this will be what? T cos theta, and then this will be T sin theta. Now as the particle is revolving in the circular motion, what type of force will be acting on that? Centrifugal force. Always centrifugal. You forget about the centripetal. You just remember the duty of centripetal. What it will do? Nothing but it will make the particle to be in the circular motion. That's it. If that centripetal is finished, then everything is about the centrifugal only. Now it is revolving in the circle, nothing but there is the centrifugal force Fc. Now how can you do this? Fc is equals to, what is the formula? T sin theta. Mv square by r is equals to T sin theta. T cos theta is equals to how much? Mg. So you have to find out the tan theta, of course. So T sin theta is equals to mv square by r. Radius is capital R, mv square by r. And also T cos theta is equals to what? T cos theta is exactly balancing with mg. T sin theta is balancing with Fc. Now m gone, and then t gone, then tan theta is equals to simply what you can get? V square by rg. That's it. That's it, easy only. Tan theta is equals to V square by rg. The same formula will be repeated again and again. In the banking of the roads also, without banking also it will come. In oscillations also it will come. Yes, before that you just solve one problem. I thought you people will do that only. All of you put the heading as banking of the roads and everything, no? A block of mass 2 kg. A block of mass 2 kg is tied to a string of length 2 meters, the other end of which is fixed. Then the block is moved in a horizontal table, and the block is moved in a horizontal table with a constant speed of 5 meters per second. Then find the tension in the string. 10-second problem. How much? Very good. 25 is the correct answer. It is moving on horizontal table, nothing but which motion it is doing? It is fixed at one end and then moving in the horizontal table. Then automatically it will do circular motion only. 25 is the correct answer. I said 10 seconds, you people will take 10 minutes, I think. 25 is the correct answer. Read the question first of all. It is moved, nothing but don't go for the mechanics and all. It is doing the circular motion only. Twenty-five is the correct answer. No friction, nothing. What are? You got the answer? You got the answer or getting sleep? You got right? 25 is the correct answer. Don't take this much time. I said horizontal table. I said horizontal table. On a horizontal table, one end is fixed. One end is fixed and another end is connected with the mass. And then what happening? Nothing but I am just giving some velocity. I am just holding in middle and also I am giving some velocity. So that what it is doing the circular motion only. So whenever I just hit this, when frictionless surface, obviously, there is no friction. So without friction, if I have give initial velocity, little bit initial velocity also, what it will do? It will be keep on moving only. No friction, nothing but there is no opposing force for the motion. So what it will do? It will be keep on doing the circular motion only. Whenever it is doing the circular motion in the horizontal table I have considered here the mass m is tied here. For example, let me take the mass m is there. Now whenever I have given the initial velocity, how much they said? 5 meter per second. That is uniform they are saying. Uniform, and also they did not mention about the friction there. So that I have given the initial velocity, so that what it will do? It will be keep on doing the circular motion only. Whenever it is doing the circular motion, radially outwards which will be acting? Centrifugal force. So centrifugal force will be acting in this direction. If the centrifugal force is acting radially outwards, nothing but inside of the string what will be developed? Tension will be developed. Why? Because outwards already some force is acting. So by that force what will be acting in the string? Nothing but tension will be acting. Downwards mg, upwards normal reaction, both will get cancelled. We no need of that. So tension is equals directly what? Fc, that's it. Tension is equals to Fc, that is how much? That is mv square by r. Substitute the values, you will get the answer, that's it. 25 is the correct answer. That's it. Nothing else is there. Initially velocity is given so that it is keep on doing the circular motion only. So you are so weak in the circular motion, you have to practice the number of problems. Did you get any assignment? No, right? Today you will get. Today study hour is there, no? Today we will get. I said them to give yesterday itself. Next, banking of the roads. Banking of the roads. So in that banking of the roads, these are the important formulas. For me, these are important formulas, banking of the roads, and then whatever the conical pendulum problems, whatever we discussed yet. Dynamics in circular motion is important for the NET. So in the banking of the roads also, they will ask, most of the time they have asked direct formula only. Maximum safest velocity and then minimum velocity they asked. So that we will discuss. That formula also very easy to remember also. Directly they asked that only. In 2017 also they asked, in 2 years they asked only formula, that's it. They did not ask the problem, only formula. In some of the times just based on that only, just direct substitution they have given in that formula only. So formula is very important here. In that mainly 3 types of the problems will be there. One is without banking, nothing but just horizontal road, whatever the roads we are having now, that roads without banking but friction is there. The next type is without friction, banking of the roads. Nothing but whenever you see the rainy day, on a rainy day, whenever you are riding the car in the highway, then what happens? Nothing but on that banked road, friction will be less. So without friction and then banking of the roads we will discuss. And after that, one more type is with banking and then with friction. This is very, very important. These are also important only, but this is very, very important. With banking and then with friction we will discuss. In that first type is without banking and then friction is there. Now if I take a horizontal circular road, I have taken horizontal circular road. So on that horizontal circular road, I have taken a car of mass m, let me take. So car is moving in which direction? In which direction? That is horizontal circle. You identify that. The car is not moving in this direction. I said backside glass, this one is. Okay, na? Backside glass and then here headlights. Backlights. So that is the car we are having. So velocity is there inwards. Velocity is there inwards like this, horizontal circle, and then velocity is there inwards like this. So whenever the velocity is there like that, we are discussing with friction, right? There is a friction between the tires and then road. Now tell me, you have to tell that in which direction friction is acting, in which direction? Outwards. Think properly. Friction is opposite what one? First of all, which one? Motion. Motion nothing but relative motion or otherwise relative motion. So try to think first of all. You have to think properly in which direction it can move. So in which direction the friction will opposes. That and all you have to think. Tell me in terms of along x, y, z axis. Z nothing but along the velocity or opposite to the velocity. Z is inwards or outwards. X and y. Tell me that friction will act in which direction? Z outwards. X axis. What is the reason why x axis? No. Which direction? That will be along the negative x axis. Negative x axis. What is the reason? I said negative x axis. Okay, what is the reason? Tell me. You might be think that whenever the tires are moving in this direction, so exactly from each and every time tire opposite direction friction will be there. But that's wrong. That's wrong. Why? Because it is having the time. Of course, there is a friction, so that only it is moving. But we are discussing here to avoid the skidding. The main purpose of this entire problems is to avoid the skidding. What is the maximum safest velocity we are discussing? Skidding nothing but in which direction skidding will happen? In which direction skid? It will skid outwards only, na? Whenever you are going on a bike, if you are not decreasing the velocity, directly you are taking turning. Then what happens? Your head will be towards the road and then tires will be in the upward direction. Correct? So what is the reason? Nothing but it will skid, sir. It will skid. So to avoid the skidding, you have to decrease the velocity. So in decreasing of velocity, what is the maximum safest velocity? By which velocity you can avoid the skidding is the main aim to find out the problems of banking problems here. Understanding, right? So you want to avoid the skidding. Skidding should be avoided nothing but whenever you are taking a circular turning, then skidding will happen in which direction? Radially outwards only, na? Whenever you see, you will be fly off radial outwards only, not inwards. In every accident, if you see, whenever they are taking the turning, at that time they will be out of the turning only. They will be done, accident will be done out of the turning only. Skidding. not directly accident, nothing but we cannot do anything for that. So by his mistake he is doing accident by himself. He want to do atmahatya, nothing but at that time what he will do, he will increase the speed at the whatever the circular turnings. So some of the people might be making sound pollution by raising the bikes and all, no. So be careful at the circular turnings. Okay, now at that time what happens, nothing but the velocity is there inverse. You just assume, you just forget about the diagram. First of all, I am saying on the horizontal table, let me take horizontal surface is there, on that the velocity of the car is there in this direction. If the velocity of the car directly it is coming with speed, nothing but what happens, it will be thrown outwards. Clear? So I don't want it to be happen, nothing but I have to decrease the velocity and then I have to turn. So while turning, there is a chance to skid, nothing but there is a chance to skid radially outwards. It will be thrown radially outwards. Always whenever you see in the turnings also, whenever you put speed breaker, at that time the road will be what, a little bit it will get friction. In which direction? Nothing but outwards only. Whenever you stop the cycle also, whenever you apply the brakes suddenly, then what happens, your bike will be stopped suddenly, na? Otherwise little bit it will move side, little bit side it will move, no? So what is the reason? Nothing but there is a centrifugal force acting in that direction. So due to centrifugal force, it is having the tendency to move in which direction? Radially outwards. So friction will act opposite to that tendency only, no, always. So friction will be acting in the inverse direction. Clear? And also mg will act in downward direction, normal reaction will act in upward direction. You understand everything? So here the bike is coming, let me take a car is coming, this is a horizontal road. So that what happening, nothing but it is coming directly like this, then what happens, it will go outwards like this. So whenever it don't want to be go outwards, nothing but velocity should be decreased. So that maximum safest velocity you have to find out. For that purpose, first of all, whenever it is turning in the circle, then it is having the tendency to move in which direction? Outward direction. Tendency in outward direction, nothing but friction will be there in which direction? Inward direction. Clear? You understand, right? So by which force it is moving outwards? Centrifugal force. Because the frame is accelerating frame. So only centrifugal force is acting in the outward direction. So to balance that, who is acting inwards? Nothing but friction is acting inwards. So only the skidding is not happening. Always centrifugal force will be there whenever you are running in the circle. But why you are not falling down always? Why you are not getting skidded? Nothing but because inside of the circle what is acting? Friction is acting. Friction is acting to balance the centrifugal force. So here radially outwards centrifugal force will act, that is Fc. Inwards towards the center of the circle what is acting? Friction. That you have to remember always. Okay. Why? Because it is accelerating frame. Accelerating nothing but radially outwards always centrifugal force is acting. If friction is not there, then what happens? It will skid off in which direction? Along the centrifugal force only. So to balance that, who is acting here? Friction is acting. So friction is acting, obviously mg in the downward direction, normal reaction in the upward direction along the negative y-axis and then positive y-axis. Why? Because horizontal road we have taken. Now you have to find out the maximum safest velocity. The velocity should be safe, nothing but the person should be safe, nothing but which should be more here? Friction or centrifugal force? Friction. If centrifugal force is more, nothing but it will go outwards. Correct? So that friction should be greater than or equals to the centrifugal force. Understand it clearly, everybody? So if the friction is less and then centrifugal force is more, then what happens? The vehicle will skid off. So here F greater than or equals to Fc, and whatever the problem we have solved in that previous problem, death well problem, no? Same method again. So here mu into normal reaction greater than or equals to mv square by r. Now mu into, what is the normal reaction here? N is equals to mg. So mg greater than or equals to mv square by r. Then m gets cancelled here. Then v square less than or equals, I am writing in reverse. Look at that carefully. V square by r is less than or equals to r mu g. Then v square, v less than or equals to how much? Under root mu rg. Important formula. The maximum safest velocity is If the velocity is less than that, nothing. If the velocity is more than that, nothing but what happens? The vehicle will skid. Why? Because if the velocity increases, whenever the velocity is increasing here, automatically which will decrease? Friction will decrease. Whenever the friction is decreasing, then what happens? Vehicle will skids. So this is the maximum safest velocity. That right, one important point. As the vehicle is having tendency to move, radially outwards, the friction will act radially inwards. Full stop. When the friction balances the centrifugal force, then skidding can be avoided. Copy that. Horizontal road. See, so many people will be confused in this less than or equals to and then greater than or equals. That is a maximum or minimum. In the death well problems, whenever you have to think that practically, just forget about the symbol there. Just think about practically. Whenever in the death well problem, if he when he will fall, if he increases the speed, otherwise decreases the speed. So that whenever the decreases the speed, nothing but that is a minimum safest velocity for him. So below that what happens? Nothing but he will fall down. So that is the minimum velocity there. So here, when he will fall down? Whenever he increases the speed. Nothing but this is the maximum safest velocity. If he is decreasing the speed, nothing will happen. He can make the circular motion. Whenever he increases the speed, at that time what happens? Nothing but he will skid. You're understanding, right? So that is how you have to remember that maximum velocity, otherwise minimum velocity. So in the banking of the roads, obviously all the problems will get the maximum velocity only. In that death well problems, you will get the minimum velocity only. Otherwise, you might be seen already insect problem also we have done. In that velocity is not coming. In velocity is not there. There we will discuss the minimum height. For example, insect is making the circular motions. When it will fall down? If it decreases the speed, otherwise increases the speed. Whenever it is making circular motion in the spherical bowl, so whenever it is decreasing the speed, at that time what happens? It will fall down. That is like a death well problem only again, with some angle of course. So in that only one more problem will be there, cone problems will be there. Whenever I have taken a cone type of thing I have taken, in that a block is kept. A block is kept. This cone is making angle theta with vertical. So at that time you have to find out that here it is not rotating, by the way, it is just there like that only. So what is the safest angle for this? You have to find out. mg is acting with the angle, otherwise mg is acting in the downward direction. Along the inclination it is changing. Yes, you understand, right? To avoid along the inclination, what is acting in the opposite direction? Friction is acting. So normal reaction is acting in this direction. Opposite to normal reaction, of course, who is acting? mg sin theta. Here angle is this one. In all the inclined plane problems, where we have taken the angle, here we have taken. But this angle I am taking here. Clear? If this angle is, you understanding or not? All the inclined plane problems, we have taken the angle here. But now where I set the angle? I set the angle here. Clear? Now here mg nothing but along the inclination mg sin theta is not there. mg cos theta will come. Shall I give that problem? You will solve that? Yes? Write that. Find the safest angle. Find the safest angle of the cone. Find the safest angle of the cone. Cone. ಏನು ಯುವರಾಜ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ನೀವೇನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವು? ಹರ್ಷನಾ? Why you are looking at him? You want to look at him? No. ಕ್ರಶ್ ಆಗಿದೆನಾ? ಕ್ರಶ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ರಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ರಶ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಜೆಲಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಾ? Find the safest angle of the cone for which block kept on the cone wall will not fall down. And block of mass is m. That you can do, however. Next one is banking of the roads. Banked road we will discuss. Where is the duster? Diagram also you have to draw. Next, banked roads without friction. Banked road without friction. So whenever you see the banked road, it will be there horizontal, otherwise sloped. Slope will be there, no? Always slope will be there. So I have considered a banked road like this. So that is a slope of the banked road here. Whenever you see in highways, you can observe that clearly. So they will be building with they will be constructing with the banking with some angle obviously. So that angle I will take as theta here. I have taken a banked road here. On that, a vehicle is moving inwards. So inwards nothing but velocity is there, inside into the plane it is there. Now tell me, in which direction all the forces will act? First of all, tell me about the centrifugal force. Tell me in terms of axis. X axis, otherwise xy plane. See that it is there with angle, no? Yes, sir. Tangential. XY plane. Then any answer? xy plane only. Yes, everybody. The ordinary brains will think it as a xy plane, but the genius brain will think as along only positive x-axis. What is the reason means? See here this one. See, always centrifugal force will act in which direction? Radially outwards. Not outwards, that is radially outwards. So, whenever you see, this is the towards the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. So, radially outwards nothing but in this direction centrifugal force will act. Are you satisfied with the answer or not? Not satisfied? Radially nothing but this is the banking, this one is the angle. You have to consider base only. Base only you have to consider. Why? Because I am mentioning the angle here. Are you understanding or not? Some of the genius, now also some genius people are there. They will be thinking that radial nothing but this is also radial only, no? Why she is not telling that radial? Correct, but that is a death well problem only. You understand? In death well problem, whenever I see, this is the radial, not this one. You understand? So, towards the center of the circle nothing but this total is the center of the circle only. This is making circular motion here. You don't think that this is the center so that in this direction the radius will be there. Understand? So, only I said all are ordinary brains only. I thought some genius are there, no one is there. Cha. I disappointed completely. See, so that you can estimate your power, how much you have. Don't underestimate the power of a common student. I know your powers, but brain power. You have to increase your brain power. You understand? Now you satisfied with the answer? Yes, radially nothing but so many people. Whenever I said this answer, immediately they thought that this is also radius only, no? Here the center is there. Let us consider then this is the radius. Then why she is not telling in this direction? But whenever you see this one, whenever I have taken the spherical bowl like this, so whenever the particle, not particle, any insect is revolving in the circle, nothing but this is the center of the circle, not this one. This one is the center of the base circle only. So whenever you think there, you might be think like this. This is not radius. This is the radius here. Understand clearly? Everybody understood, right? Any confusion is there still? Nothing, right? So always, whenever I consider, where is my bottle? My golden bottle, yes. So whenever this one is a death well only. Now whenever here water is there, obviously you can see the water. So whenever I rotate this one, then what happening? Nothing but water is revolving around the walls. So you have to take the center of that water circle only, not center of the base. You should not take that. You should not tell me that from here to here that is a radius. Even though it is revolving in a circle only, you should not tell me that from here to here radius. You have to tell that whichever this paper is there, no? That center of the paper only, center of the circle. Clear? You can see the paper clearly, very much clearly. I am not promoting any brand here. So only I am keeping like this. So here, whenever this is the circle, the particle is revolving in this direction. Now for that particle, which is the center, nothing but only that circle center, only center. Not this one. Clear? Everybody understood now? So that the radius is there in this direction. Radius of the road is there in that direction. And also the friction is, not friction, centrifugal force is acting in which direction? Outward direction. Now tell me the friction. Now think like genius, not like ordinary student. Y-axis. This is legendary answer. Legendary answer this is. Without friction. Yes, without friction nothing but there is no friction only. Yes. No, I forgot. I thought with friction. So, yes, Shreyas, very, very good, Shreyas. So, centrifugal force is acting in the opposite direction, in this direction. And then, this is the radius. He said y-axis only. Why? Because there is no friction. In the air only friction will be there. This is the real meaning of genius, actually. So, mg is acting in this direction. Where the normal reaction is acting? In which direction? In this direction, northwest direction. So normal reaction is acting in this direction. Mg is acting in downward direction. Obviously, along the inclination, who is acting? Mg sin theta. And opposite to the inclination, what is acting? Mg cos theta. Now, in this also, you have to find out the safest velocity. How to find out the safest velocity? How to find out the safest velocity? Yes, you have to take the components of Fc. Fc is acting no in the radially outward direction. Here angle is how much? Theta, means this angle also how much? Theta only. Opposite to mg sin theta, who is acting? Nothing but Fc cos theta is acting. See that Fc and then theta means this will be what? Fc cos theta. And also opposite to the inclination, who is acting? Fc sin theta. You understand clearly all the components? So I said that whenever the vehicle is running on a banked road, at that time radially, only radially outwards, remember that always, only radially outwards the centrifugal force is acting. So centrifugal force is acting radially outwards. This is the center of the circle I have taken. Now whenever it is acting radially outwards, whenever you see this friction is not there, this is easy. So here Fc is there in this direction, angle is how much here? Theta. So this angle also how much? Theta only. If this is Fc, this is theta, then this will be what? Fc cos theta. The opposite component will be obviously Fc sin theta. Clear? Now mg is acting in exactly downward direction. Along the inclination, what is acting? Mg sin theta. Opposite inclination, mg cos theta. And also normal reaction is acting in the upward direction. Now tell me, who is balancing the vehicle? Which forces are balancing the vehicle? Is there any need of normal reaction here? Is there any friction here? There is no friction. For friction only we will use mu into normal reaction. So n is not necessary here. So the skidding is, who is avoiding the skidding? Mg sin theta and Fc cos theta. Whenever Fc cos theta is more, then what happens? It will get skid. Whenever Fc cos theta is less, then what happens? Nothing but it will go safely. If it is still it is less, nothing but what happens? It will be fall towards the center. Clear? You understand, right? So if whenever I increase the Fc, then what happens? It will fly off outwards. Whenever I maintain the normal Fc value, a minimal Fc value, then what happens? Nothing but it will be revolving in the circle safe. Whenever I decrease the Fc than the minimum value, then what happens? It will fall towards the circle. That much of banking will not be there obviously in our roads. So generally I am telling, practically it is not possible, but generally I am telling. Why? Because friction is not there, it is possible only. If friction is there, nothing but it is not possible. Friction is not there, directly it will slide down only. Clear? Whenever, so in this case tell me, whenever you are stopping the vehicle on the banking of the roads, then what happens? It will fall down. Why? Because friction is not there. You understand or not? So this is not possible. However, friction is not there, nothing but it will not only run. It will not run only, right? How it is run? Between the tires and then road, friction is not there, means how the tires will run? If friction is not there between my legs and then this floor, nothing but I will fall down obviously. So it is not possible. Sometimes there will be loopholes in physics. This much of see, great thing is there, nothing but in that small loopholes will be there. Don't worry about that. So mg sin theta will be balanced by what? Fc cos theta. Now what is the banking angle, they will ask. What is the safest velocity also they will ask. Two are possible only. Two cases are possible. The maximum safest banking is how much? Tan theta is how much they will ask. In some of the problems, they will ask the maximum safest velocity. In that, now who is balancing? Tell me. Mg sin theta is balancing with Fc cos theta. So, whenever mg sin theta is more, it will fall downwards. Whenever Fc cos theta is more, it will radially go outwards. Clear? Now, here mg sin theta is equals to Fc nothing but what? Mv square by r cos theta. Gets cancelled. Then safest banking is how much? Tan theta is equals to v square by rg. Very, very important. Tan theta is equals to v square by rg. And also maximum safest velocity, if I ask, v square is equals to what I can write? Rg tan theta. Then v is equals to under root Rg tan theta. In one of the problem, whenever we have seen that first problem, whenever you see that tan theta is equals to, we got not tan theta, v is equals to under root mu rg, we got, no? Which problem that is? Without friction, huh? No. Without banking, yes, same formula only, but it might be seen in the angle of friction. Angle of friction tan theta is equals to what? Mu only, no? So that is what we are getting here also. Here mu is there, instead of mu what we are getting here? Tan theta, that's the difference. Why? Because in the friction topic I discussed already, angle of friction or angle of repose, both are is equals to what? Tan theta only. Tan theta is equals to mu only. So instead of mu what we substituted here? Tan theta, simply that one only. Right, copy that. Tomorrow we will discuss with friction. Of that.